Good morning students, hope you all are good. Yes, in the previous video we have done the reported speech and I have told you about direct and indirect speech, and you also know that how to convert it, means you are able to know about that first person, second person, third person. So today we are going to start with the steps to convert a direct speech to indirect speech. Now you know here are the 6 steps to convert the direct speech into indirect speech. First step is to identify. Second is change of reporting verb. Third is replace with inverted commas. These are the inverted commas and you have to replace it with that. Then fourth step is change of pronoun. Fifth step is change of tense, and sixth step is update time specific words. I will tell you each and everything in detail. First of all, we will start with the identify. First step, what you need to identify while converting the direct speech into indirect speech is to convert the subject into, means subject, you have to identify the subject, object, reporting verb. Means what is the subject in the reported verb, what is the object here, and then what is the reporting verb, and first, second and third person in the reporting speech you have to identify. And tense also, if the tense of the reported verb is in past, then you have to recognize that tense in the reported speech. Means if I will write here one example, he said I am playing. He said I am playing. So now you can see he said. So this is your past tense. Means said is the second form of verb, say is the first form of verb, said second or third form. So if your reported verb is in past tense, then also you have to identify that the tense of the reported speech will change. So this is the first step. Now comes to the second step, change of reporting verb. How to change that reporting verb? If your reporting verb is said to, now here it can like this also, he said to me. So if your reporting verb is said to, it will change into told, and if it is said, it will remain said also. Then say to, if say to is there, it will change into tell, and if it is says to, it will change into tells. So in this way you will change your reporting verb of the your tense. So reporting verb will change accordingly. Now comes to the third step, replace inverted comma with that. So we will replace the inverted commas with the that. You can see example here, he said I'm doing my work. Now these are the inverted commas which are used here, and you will replace these with the conjunction that. You will use here that. Why we are using that? If we will remove the inverted commas in order to connect this reported verb and reported speech. Now you are knowing very well that this is your reported verb and this entire is your reported speech. So when, in order to connect the reported verb with reported speech, we are using that. So we have to use that in order to connect them, and when we are using that, we will remove these commas. So this is about the replacement of the inverted commas with that. Now your next, change of pronoun. Now it is very important thing, and you should be very careful while changing of the pronouns, that first person will be decided as per subject. Means you will change the first person according to the subject, and if there is a second person in your reported speech, it will change according to the object, and the third person will be changed according to, means there is no change. We will not change, third person will not change, only first and second person will change according to the subject and object. Now next is change of tense, very important thing. You can also remember this with the acronym SON, SON, means subject, object and no change. Now next is change of tense. How you will change the tenses? If your reporting verb is in past tense or reported speech is not universal truth. Sometimes students, what happen, our reported speech is in a universal truth, means the earth revolves around a sun. If it is written, he said, the earth revolves around a sun, it means that It is a universal truth, so we can't change it. But if it is not a universal truth or your reported verb is in past tense, then you have to change accordingly. So if your reported speech is in simple present tense, okay, if I will write here, he said to me, I am drinking a cup of coffee. Now you can see here, he said to me. Now it is your reported verb and it is in past tense. So it is very sure that you are going to change your reported speech here. The tense of the reported speech will change. So what you will do, I have told you, said to reporting verb will be changed into told. So he told me, and in order to remove the inverted commas, what you will do, you will use that here. And now the first person, it will change according to the subject. So here it will come, he said to me. So we will change I into he, means the first person will be changed into subject, he, and it will come, he told me that he, and now am, here it is present tense, present continuous, it will change into past continuous. And what will it become? He told me that he was drinking a cup of coffee, and you will remove all these commas, only put full stop at the end. So this is about, you will change the simple present into simple past, present continuous into past continuous, present perfect into past perfect, and present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous. So it is all about your present tense, means if your reported verb is in past tense and your reported speech is in present, then you will convert in this way, means reported speech in present tense will be converted into past. If in simple present, it will become simple past. If present continuous, it will become past continuous. Also in this way you are going to change. Now come to the next, past tense. So simple past will change into past perfect, means if you have simple past tense, it will change into past perfect, and past continuous will change into past perfect continuous. Past perfect and past perfect continuous will not change. So if your reported verb is in past tense and your reported speech is in past perfect or past perfect continuous, it will not change. And in future also you can see, will, shall in your reported speech will be converted into would, should, and can, may will be converted into could or might. Now the sixth step, update time specific words. Now what is the meaning of this? Means the sometimes in your reported speech, again the same rules implements here. What is that? If your reported verb is in past tense, then only you will change these words. Words indicate nearness, they will be changed into words indicating distance. So here we can see that the here will become there, tomorrow, the next day, today, that day, yesterday, the previous day, this, that, now, then, tonight, that night. And even the word ago, it will change into before. So in this way you will change all these the specific time specific words. Now you can see example here in order to understand all these steps. She said to me, I'm playing football. So you can now identify, the first step is identification. This is your subject, said to is your reporting verb, then me is object, I is the first person here, am is your tense, that is I am playing, that is your present continuous tense, and you is the second person. Now I have told you, now second is change of reporting verb. Said to will be converted into told. Then replacing the inverted commas with that. So it will become she told me that. We have solved up to this. Now change of pronoun. I have told you the first person will be changed according to the subject. So here is she, it will become she. And the second person will change according to the object. So it will become me. Change of tense, present continuous into past continuous, because your reported verb is in past tense. Then change of time words. Here now it will be changed into then. So now we can combine the whole example. She told me that she was playing with me then. So this is about your reported speech. This is the simple, I have told you about the simple rules. We will do other things also. First you will solve this and I will give you examples regarding this, and you have to submit your work me today on time of the class. Okay, class? Goodbye.